Hi everyone, I'm Sankiti. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Terraform. First go to browser and click on type Terraform download and click on the installation Terraform option. Then go to down, then click on Windows download here. Click on it. Then you can able to see the Terraform installation here, downloading here. Then open it, click on it. You can able to see the two files. Copy the Terraform file, then go to Windows, here Windows folder, then after you can see the system32 file here, open it, then paste here the copied file. Terraform installation is completed. Thank you.